Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super clever trick for managing your Google Sheets, specifically how to hide data with just a simple checkbox. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make your spreadsheets way more interactive and cleaner, letting you control what data shows up with a single click. Trust me, this is a huge time saver, especially if you're working with a lot of information and want to keep things organized for yourself or anyone else viewing your sheet. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, to make this magic happen, you won't need to be some kind of coding wizard, but you will need to use something called Google Apps Script. Don't worry though, it's easier than it sounds, and I've already put the code you need right in the video description below. So take a moment to scroll down, find that code, and copy it. This code is what allows Google Sheets to automatically hide rows when you check a box, so it's essential to get started. Once you have that code copied, let's head over to your Google Sheet. Up at the top of the page, look for the Extensions tab. It's between Insert and Help in the menu bar. Click on Extensions and then select Apps Script from the drop-down menu. Think of Apps Script as the behind-the-scenes workshop where you can add custom features to your spreadsheet, almost like teaching Google Sheets a new trick. Now you should see a big code editor window. You can go ahead and erase any code that might already be there, then just paste in the code you copied from the description. This script is set up to watch out for when you interact with checkboxes in your sheet and to automatically hide the rows you select. Once you've done that, don't forget to hit the floppy disk icon to save your script, just like saving your progress in a video game. This only takes a moment, so be patient if it has to process the changes. Now let's talk about the setup in your actual sheet. You'll want to make sure you already have your data organized and that you've added checkboxes in the column or area where you want this feature to work. If you haven't added checkboxes before, just select the cells where you want them, go to Insert, and then choose Checkbox. That's it. This step is important because the whole trick revolves around those checkboxes. They're like little on-off switches for the visibility of your rows. Once everything's set up, here comes the fun part. Try clicking on any of your checkboxes. If everything's working correctly, just like magic, the row will automatically hide itself as soon as you check the box. There's no need to run any extra commands or scripts. It all happens instantly, so your sheet stays neat and focused on the data you actually want to see. If a row doesn't hide right away, don't worry, sometimes Google might ask for your permission to let the script run the first time. Just follow the prompts and you'll be back in business. It's a little like getting a new app on your phone and giving it permission to do its job. And that's really it. With just a small bit of code and a few quick clicks, your Google Sheet now has a powerful way to declutter itself. This can be especially handy for project tracking, to-do lists, or anything where you want to quickly filter out information you've already dealt with. If you found this tip helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions. I love helping out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Google Sheets tutorials and smart productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.